Hello guys, welcome to my video on how to decompose a function. So, decomposing a function is the opposite of composing a function, and I guess a little bit easier, so to speak. So, in this case, right, it says we're given a function h of x where equals to the absolute value of 2x squared minus 5, Find any two functions f and g such that h of x equals to f of g of x. All right. So in this case, the f function must be the outer function, the overall function, where the g function must be the inside function. Because when I write f of g of x, I am saying f of g of x. So in this case, I want to determine if I can find an inside function. And I'm going to do two examples of this. So the most basic answer in this case, I can call this function my g of x function. I can say that g of x equals to the inside function of the absolute value, which is going to be 2x squared minus 5. Right? And then my f function, which is the overall function, let's use a highlighter in this case. The f function could be the absolute value function. So the absolute value of x, because it's in the variable of x. And let's see, does that work out by checking our answer? Because remember, h of x must equal to the composition of f and g. So let's see if that works out in this case. So if we want to find f of g of x, and we just define g of x as 2x squared minus 5, I can replace the 2x squared minus 5 inside the parentheses for g of x, which makes it now us having f of 2x squared minus 5. And we know f of x is the absolute value of x. So I'll put my absolute value symbol here, and whatever is inside of here will go inside here, which is going to be 2x squared minus 5. And because that is the original h of x function, we can say without any doubt that yes, f of x, one answer can be the absolute value of x, and g of x can be 2x squared minus 5. So that's one answer. I'm going to put answer 1. And the most preferred answer, f of x equals the absolute value of x, g of x equals to 2x squared minus 5. That's the most preferred answer. I'm going to give us one more. And what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to copy these notes down because I'm about to erase them. So pause it, copy it down, screenshot it, up to you. Give me 1 second. Now, a harder one to determine, but this is one that I'm going to introduce. We can say that f of x, in this case, equals to the absolute value of 2x minus 5. And we can say that g of x equals to x squared. That is one also possibility we can also use. And the reason why I'm giving you that, although that's a harder one to determine, and that's one that's, we don't have to find because the preferred answer is already given to us for answer 1. But it's another way that we can also, deconstruct or decompose the function. Hell, I'm talking about. So to prove that this is right, we want to find f of g of x and make sure it equals to the h of x function. So f of g of x. In this case, I said g of x equals to x squared. So I'm going to substitute that in. So now I have f of x squared. Now, wherever I see an x at in my f function, I'm going to place x squared. So you have the absolute value of 2, put open parentheses, and I put a minus 5 here. And inside there, I can put in x squared. And when I simplify that further, we have the absolute value of 2x squared minus 5. That equals to h of x. So therefore, yes, that is correct. So a second answer, answer 2, can be f of x, which is the absolute value of 2x minus 5, and g of x equals to x squared. But this is the preferred answer. Alright guys, that is it to this video. Hope you guys understood how to decompose, how to check your answer as well. But if you decompose it correctly and you know that you did it correctly, you may not have to check your answer, but I always prefer you guys to always check. I'll see you soon.